Hello everyone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to plot Piper's diagram using Python. So our date. Uh, let me tell you some details. So we will use WQ chart py, which is developed by and credit goes to this author, Yang, Liu, and Tang, Peters, and all. Now let's see how to plot the data. First, we will open Jupyter Notebook. So you should have either Jupyter Notebook installed or you can also plot it using Google Colab. I have Jupyter Notebook, so I'll open it. Click File, New, Notebook. Back to tutorial. First, we will need to import the required libraries. Click Install. Click File. Then press Shift plus Enter or either click this Run. It will install water quality chart Python code. Then what you have to do is you have to upgrade this PIP because author of this code used to update the code regularly. So if there is any update, it will be installed automatically. Yes. Python upgrade. Then we need to import some basic MATLAB libraries. Like import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now we have imported this. Now we need to import our data. So let me show you how does our data look like in this Excel sheet. So our data should contain following columns. I will upload this Excel sheet with this YouTube video. So you can replace your data with this my data. So let me explain what this each column means. This is sample number, labels, color of marker. So let's say first three marker in red color, next three markers in red color, and then green. I will have these three marker color. I am selecting three different marker size. First one is circle, then I will select square, and then I will select some, let's say triangle. So what should be the size of marker? It's 9. Let me select 13. Alpha. Is the opacity of markers. You can select it from 0 to 1. I have taken it default 0.8. Then here is my water quality data, chemistry data, quality data, whatever you can say. So in this, I have taken units into mg per liter. So what is the biggest benefit of this Python library is that you don't need to convert your values. You just input your values into mg per liter and it will automatically calculate it. Now it will automatically calculate to milliequivalent per liter. Now let's open the data. So first of all, we need to import the data equals to pd. Here we need to give the path of file, path of our Excel file. I have stored it on YouTube video Firefox and copy as path. You just need to paste the path here. Paste the okay, so Excel. It is an Excel file. If you are uploading CSV file, you have to insert a CSV instead of Excel. So my file is uploaded now. I can see my uploaded file from here. See, it is similar to my Excel file. Now the plotting begins from the chart file. What plot do I need to plot? I want to plot triangular Piper diagram. This is my data frame from where it will take the data df unit. I am giving unit in mg per liter. It will automatically convert it into milliequivalent per liter. Then figure name, I am giving it a name as Piper underscore liquid figure format equals to GPG. I am giving this data and click run. What is the error for the format? There is an typo error. Trilinear Piper plot created, saving to user. It will appear here. Notice this star shows that the sale is still running. It is oh, I did not save this. Okay. Sorry. Now I will run all the codes again. Save. See, first three samples in yellow and circular, next three red and square, next three triangle and blue. You can change the size, opacity, marker, shape, anything. Let me select size as 20. I will save the file and run the code again. See. If I set it to, let's say 40, click save. See, you have got your points. This plot you can is saved here. Piper plot YouTube. You can download it. Open. Currently, this figure is exported in 600 dpi.